What's up everyone, Art with Overtake, and today I have a really exciting announcement. It's the first official new product release since we launched the company, and it's the Overtake Pitch Stop Mount. In case you don't know what a pitch stop is, I'm going to take a second to explain it. Now, most Subarus outside of BRZs have these, but pretty much anything 93 on will have one, so it's going to fit a variety of cars. You're going to spot it right here underneath your air intake or intercooler in this case, and as the name implies, it stops the pitch of the engine back and forth as you brake and accelerate. Now the OEM unit is a plastic. After a while it starts to wear out, especially the bushings on it, and I've even seen them crack and break. Our piece is billet aluminum, so that's never going to happen. The bushings are super solid, and we actually have a choice of 2 different durometers on those. I'm going to step over, unbox both of our versions, and then we're going to eventually install one into this VB-WRX. I mentioned we've got 2 versions. There's a street, which is this one with the blue bushings, and a race version. I'm going to unbox that, show you what all is in here. So we've got a package bike card, some packaging materials, the unit itself, and then you're also going to notice a bottle of lube down here.
This is a nice kind. You brought lube!
And this one, this is the race version, so it's going to have the matching black bushings, and the durometer is going to be a little bit harder, a 95 versus a 75 on the street. As far as the installation goes, it is super easy. That's another great thing about replacing your OEM pitch stop. You're just going to need a 14mm wrench and socket, and really it's going to be a bolt and nut up here, and then just one bolt going through in the firewall area. Before I throw the Overtake Pitch Stop Mount in, I just wanted to show you the visual difference. You can see how much more narrow the OEM piece is, and what you can't see is how much more soft the bushings are as compared to the Overtake piece. The other thing is, this is off of VB-WRX. It doesn't have a whole lot of miles, not a whole lot of wear and tear on this one, but it will age really quickly, where this is going to be the last pitch stop you're going to need to buy for the car. Prior to install, you're going to want to put some lube on the faces of each bushing. These are deliberately made to be tight, that way the unit stays in there after you tighten it. And you also have your choice of having the large Overtake logo or the mini up. This is really one of those items that speaks for itself. There's a lot of huge benefits to it. First of all, it's a major improvement over the factory unit. This is one of those upgrades that you're actually going to feel. The install, as you saw, is super duper easy, and the cost point is also a big positive. It's under $100. Now, over the last couple of weeks since we launched the brand, a ton of you have asked how you could support Overtake. Well, this is really the best way right now, is to purchase products like this from us. This is really going to help us grow. So hop on the website, overtakeusa.com, or click the link down in our description, and you can pick this up along with anything else, the 100+ SKUs on our website right now. And if you want to support us further, just make sure you're following along on our social medias at Overtake USA, and we'll see you in the next installation video. No, it's not. I like this lube. I bet this isn't.
Eat it.